biggest hits out of the car at 100.7.
Whoa! Because gifts for loved ones can look like flowers, a spa day, or maybe even planning date night. But what about something that will truly last and protect your loved ones along the way? I'm talking about life insurance. I called SelectQuote to secure our coverage and couldn't believe how easy and affordable it was. I'm 40, and my $500,000...
Hey, welcome back to Pappy Tinker's second whole episode of Coffee and Model Cars. Well, I've got my coffee that I just freshly ground up in the coffee maker that I made. Yeah, check that out. It's a coffee bean grinder. Coffee bean grinder. So I can have fresh ground coffee every day. Another one of the things that I make. Tinkers. Doesn't always mean models. And my very unhealthy Pop-Tarts. The masked model is going to be very disappointed in me. But maybe next week I'll make her protein pancakes that she likes so well. Until then, she'll just have to be mad at me. But anyways, what we got today is an old 78 El Camino. And when I say old, yeah, this thing looks a little bit decrepit. I probably built this somewhere around 2000. And I did some custom stuff to it, and it's seen better days. It spent the last 4 years sitting in an unclosed display in the garage. You know what, you guys at least deserve to see how this thing really looks. Give me a second to go clean this off a little bit and then we'll come right back. Alright, we cleaned it off a little bit. So let me tell you the story of this one. My second ex-wife, she said her favorite car was a 78 El Camino. Aha! A light bulb went off. She said she always wanted to paint it green. Aha! Another light bulb. And I thought, you know what? This green and gold looks good together. I think I'm going to make this for her. So I found out her favorite shade of green. And the Ford PA is very close to that, so I painted it that color, and then I used another Ford paint to do the gold stripe on the bottom. Ford paint on a Chevy, you know, whatever. This kit had the V6 turbo, and I hated that offset scoop in it, so I cut that out and I centered it in the middle of the hood, and I think it looks a whole lot better like that. Let's see if we can get a little close up. I think that looks way better than it being offset. Anyways, it also got a little 327 out of one of the rally Camaros. And I think it was for her birthday. I said, well, I can't get you the real one, but here's this one. Oh, thanks. I put a lot of work into this. And, well, after we split up, I still had it. I didn't care. I was about to pitch it out in the garbage, and my son said, no, don't, I like that. Let me put it up and display it in my room. So we did that for about 10 years, and I'm not really sure how it ended up down here in Florida with me. But I was about to try to find something creative to do with it, or destroy it, or send it to another friend of mine who finds creative ways to destroy old models. And then another one said that they have a tonneau cover for the back, and I thought that would look pretty good. Now this is automotive paint on this, so there's no just dumping this into a vat of anything to try to get this paint off. So stripping it all the way down is probably not going to happen without destroying the plastic. So my question to you guys are, what do you think I should do with it? Should I find some creative ways to send this to the plastic graveyard in the sky? Send it to somebody else who might enjoy destroying it? Find a way to redo it and maybe make it something for myself. I don't know. This one's up to you. Let's see, where's my thumb? So get the thumbs up to keep and bring back to life, or the thumbs down for the second ex-wife. You get to choose. See you next time on Pappy Takers.
Smash the thumbs up for me and have a wonderful day.